Welcome back, guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Bitget Wallet and brand new 2 option where you can use it now. It's Pump.fun inside a Bitget Wallet and Alpha. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you download the application. I use the MacBook, so I download the official application from the App Store. The same you can do only with official apps and or extension. To Google Chrome, for example, only from official source. So double check what you downloaded. Create a wallet and charge it. Deposit some money for trades or import wallet. I'm gonna import one of the testnet wallet. Press import, choose the seed phrase or private key. Import my seed phrase, create the pin code. So I'm gonna use the BNB chain and to trade, show you how to trade alpha token, what to pay attention when you traded alpha tokens inside a Bitget wallet. And it's kinda simple, but risky. Why it's risky? We go to homepage, this one, and here they add in the products, they add the alpha and the Pump.fun. Of course, the Pump.fun, we can trade only, the tokens on soul. That's why to trade on the Pump.fun, you need to charge your wallet with Solana. Here you can press buy, for example, this token, buy, choose amount of soul, what you would like to spend, and press buy. Also, I recommend you all the time, guys, before you start using this platform, or the gamble with some Memecoins, I recommend you use together with the bubble maps. I made a lot of videos about bubble maps and it's helped you a lot. But Alpha is more interested because here we can use more chains. We can use the Solana, BNB, Ethereum, and the base chain. And here the token with a higher market capitalization. But this is, of course, also risky. Here's the Elon Musk token, and with this mark, what does it mean? It means this token risky with some security check issues. So the Bitget wallet showed you the risk. Insiders holding 31%, over than 31%. Check, pass it. So this kind of good one. You can double check the X updates, some details about this token. So definitely looks juicy, right? But risky. Here's a Pump.fun, and when we press it here, we can check the security check. So everything good, right? No risk found. Everything looks legit. We can open the token right here, copy the contract address, and going back to the bubble maps. Paste the contract and double check the holders. The same way, guys, you can do even in mobile version if you use the iPhone or Android, So looks legit, right? So there's no big connections, so no clusters. We turn on the magic nodes and can see, looks like everything just organic move, just organic accumulation. No big holders, nothing. All right, we can sort by rankings, by alpha, by futures, by trending. So I choose trending, go into Binance Alpha, choose the BNB chain, and find this one. Oh, what is this talking about? So I want to copy the contract, go back to the bubble maps, open loot, track the holders, and what I can find. So definitely this talking is the red flag because this one single wallet hold 35% supply, this one 26, this one 14. Definitely the red flag. Let's find another one, Vita Inu. This is basically the old token. I remember this one. And we can see the holders because each wallet is just one single holder. So the biggest amount on the Bybit, on the Max, on Revolut, KuCoin Deposit, and all other wallets not hold the big amount of tokens. That's why let's try to buy some Vinu. Also, I recommend you all the time check the details, track the security check, some warnings. I press buy and I need to swap the BNB. So let's say I want to swap, check the MIP protection. So the smart slippage only 3%, for example, and the provider. Provider will be the Pancake Swap. Press trade, enter your PIN code. So we can see our swapping details. We can go back to our wallet and find the our holdings. So here the Vinu token. This is a way how you can gamble, how you can trade the tokens. I recommend you all the time double check the security details, invest only that amount of money what you can afford to lose, especially on the meme sector, because the Pump.fun and the Alpha, these tokens, is risky token. And I recommend you double check some holders, like I showed you in this example, for some insiders. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.